Zakat is more than just charity. It's a profound system designed to purify wealth and uplift communities. Ready to uncover its impact? Zakat is a must for every Muslim with enough wealth. It's about sharing to cleanse your soul and support those in need. Who needs to pay zakat? Every adult Muslim who owns the minimum amount of wealth, called nisab. Nisab is the wealth threshold for zakat. If you own 87.48 grams of gold or 612.36 grams of silver, zakat is due. Got gold or silver? Pay zakat if you own 20 mithqal of gold or 200 dirhams of silver for a lunar year. Zakat isn't just for gold and silver. It's also for cash and trade goods that meet the nisab value. Own livestock or crops? Zakat applies to them too, as long as they're for business or breeding. Don't worry about zakat on your home, clothes, or personal transport. Those are exempt. Zakat must be given with the right intention. It's about fulfilling your duty and helping others. Who receives zakat? The Quran lists 8 categories, including the poor, those in debt, and those striving in Allah's path. Zakat supports those who need it most, the poor and destitute. Zakat collectors ensure your charity reaches those in need, and they are compensated for their work. Zakat can help free someone from debt or even from slavery. Even stranded travelers can benefit from zakat, ensuring no one is left behind. Zakat can't be used for building mosques or given to the wealthy. It's for those who truly need it. Zakat isn't for your close relatives, it's meant for others in the community. Before Eid, give Zakat al-Fitr. It's zakat meant to purify your fast. Give half SA of wheat or a full SA of dates, raisins, or barley for Zakat al-Fitr. Pay Zakat al-Fitr before the Eid prayer. Don't delay. It's an essential duty. Zakat purifies your wealth, supports the needy, and strengthens our community. Fulfill this pillar of your faith and make a difference today. Share this video and help spread the knowledge.